Stop signing in with a Microsoft account. In this video, I'm installing Windows 11 completely offline. No email, no tracking, full local control. The key bypass happens later, but first, we need to get the correct Windows 11 ISO. Let's get started. Go to microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. Under Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click Download. I'll be saving my file in my Downloads folder. Go to your Downloads folder, open MediaCreationTool.exe. Click Yes. Read the license terms and conditions and click Accept. Uncheck Use Recommended Options. Manually select your language and edition and click Next. Choose ISO file. Click Next. I'll save my ISO in my Downloads folder. Once it's done, open the file location and close the tool. Copy the ISO to your Ventoy USB or NVMe drive. If you don't have Ventoy yet, I've linked a full setup guide below. It turns one drive into a powerful multi-boot tool. Let's restart our computer and boot into the BIOS. Depending on your system, press F9, F10, F11, or F12 to boot into your BIOS. Also check your motherboard or laptop's documentation. Inside the BIOS, change the boot priority so the Ventoy loads first. My Ventoy is installed on UEFI OS with the Realtek RTL 9210. We'll move that to the top of the boot priority. Click Save, and then Exit. When Ventoy appears, select the Windows ISO and press Enter. Boot into normal mode. Pick your language, time format, and keyboard layout. Click Next. Click Install Now. Click I don't have a product key. Choose Windows 11 Pro. It gives you BitLocker, Remote Desktop, Hyper-V for virtual machines, and Group Policy, which are essential for advanced users. Click Next. Choose Custom Install Windows Only Advanced. Select your target drive. Click New. Allocate the full size and then click Apply. Click OK. This creates all the necessary partitions. Select the primary partition and click Next. Windows will now install and restart automatically. Windows will now automatically restart. This is the critical part. Don't skip any steps. When the Windows setup screen appears, press Shift F10. Type regedit. Navigate to H key local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and then OOBE. I'll put a link in the description below, or you could just copy and paste. Right click, choose New, select DWORD 32-bit value. For the name, type bypass NRO. Hit Enter. Right click again on bypass NRO. Click Modify. Change the value data to 1. Click OK. Now we can close the registry editor. Back in the command prompt, type shutdown space /R space /T space 0. Press Enter. Before the system restarts, disconnect the Ethernet or turn off the Wi-Fi. This step is essential. Select your region. Select your keyboard. I'll skip Add Secondary Keyboard Layout. Continue with Limited Setup. Enter a name for your PC. I'll name mine Desktop. Click Next. Enter a password. Click Next. I'll turn off all the privacy settings. Click Accept. Windows 11 will now finish loading with a local account, not a Microsoft login. And you're in. Local account, full control, no forced Microsoft sign-in. If you want more Windows privacy and customization tutorials like this, subscribe. I post new guides every week. Reconnect your internet and run Windows Update right away to secure your system. Congratulations, you've just installed Windows 11 completely offline without a Microsoft account, but your system still looks locked down. No wallpaper changes, no dark mode. My next tutorial shows you how to unlock dark mode and change your wallpaper. It's very quick and easy. Click the video on screen now or check the description. I'll see you there.